welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explore Shivkunda waterfalls and picnic spot. You know, Shivkunda waterfalls and picnic spot is situated in the Morigaon district, Assam. It is 10-kilometer distance from National Highway 37. Exploring Shivkunda waterfalls and picnic spot, let's go! On the way towards Shivkunda waterfalls and picnic spot, I passed through Amso tea state. You know, Assam is famous for tea production. If you visit Assam, you will find tea garden everywhere, from east to west, north to south. অসমৰ চাৰিওফালে চাহ বাগান পোৱা যায়। এই চাহ বাগানসমূহ পৰ্যটকৰ আকৰ্ষণৰ কেন্দ্ৰ হিচাপে গঢ়ি তোলাৰ যথেষ্ট সম্ভাৱনা আছে। Finally, I reached at the site of the waterfalls. This is main gate of the waterfalls. Site of the waterfalls and picnic spot surrounded by hills and thick forest. It is so beautiful, amazing. Near the waterfalls, a Shiv Mandir is also situated. Devotees offer puja to the Lord Shiva. ভক্তসকলৰ প্ৰিয় দেৱতা ভিতৰত শিৱ বা মহাদেৱ হৈছে অন্যতম। হিন্দু দেৱ দেৱতাৰ ভিতৰত মহাদেৱ এনে এজন দেৱতা যিয়ে অলপতে সন্তুষ্ট হয়। Before wind up my video, please subscribe to my channel and hope we'll meet again in my next video. Till then, bye bye.